Alright, hello, this is my Lab 5 demo video talking about fast call, cdecl, and std call. So, real quick, I'm going to show the code, and then I'll start running the code. So this is my source file. I'll have screenshots of this too. This is my fast call file. This is my cdecl file. This is my std call file. So now we're going to run it. What I'll do is I will jump into the function for the first example and then just hop over it for the second. So here we go. So for the first example, you can see the numbers are pushed directly to the registry. So now we're going to hop in this function. And now you can see that it's adding EAX and EBX, then adding ECX and EDX, and then subtracting ECX from EAX and returning the final result in EAX. So then you see that's 4. Now for the second test, it's going to do the same thing. You'll see that the result is also 4. So now for cdecl, these values don't get pushed directly to the registers. They get pushed to an array that is read from. So now I'm going to jump into demo cdecl. We're going to push to EBP. We're going to move EBP to ESP to establish the frame pointer. And then we are going to move each of the parameters into this. And then we will do the math. Add, and now you see they're in the registers now that we're in the function. And then we have to move in the last element to EBX so that we can do the final multiplication. And of course we get 20 or 14H. And then we're going to restore the frame pointer and return that value. So now I'm going to skip over this function second time we're running it. So we had to pop ESI to clear out the stack. So now we're pushing the values. We're running this. We see that we get 24 or 36 in decimal, but 24 hex. And then we're cleaning the stack again. And now we are on to std call. So I'll hop in this one again, but we're going to push these values to the array. I'm going to call it. We're going to jump in. I'm going to push EBP, set a value. We're going to move EBP to ESP, remove EAX, that A value into EAX, then we're going to add it to EBP. You see that value updated without having to add it to EBX. Then we're going to move C to EBX, then we're going to add D to it. Then we're going to subtract those two, keep it in EAX, and we're going to multiply by E. So we're going to get 14 hex or 20 decimal. And then we're going to pop. I'm going to return the values. Now, second test, we're just going to jump through, make sure the math is right. We got 24 or 36 decimal. And then we're going to return. And that's it. Thank you very much for your time.